Arizona. The very word conjures up images of sun-drenched deserts, towering cacti, and canyons carved by time. It's a land of rugged beauty, a place where the earth itself seems to breathe adventure. But beyond the tourist trails and well-trodden paths, Arizona holds a secret heart, a hidden world of untamed landscapes waiting to be discovered. For me, Arizona is a siren song, a call to adventure that I can't resist. It's a place where I can escape the noise of modern life and reconnect with something primal. Out here, the only limits are the ones you set yourself. Every sunrise is a new challenge, every sunset a hard-won victory. This is not a journey for the faint of heart. Are you ready to answer the call? The desert sky explodes with color. A fiery orange bleeds into deep purple, signaling the dawn of a new day. I stand at the edge of Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument, a place where time seems to stand still. The air is crisp and cool, carrying the scent of creosote and desert sage. Towering organ pipe cacti stand like silent sentinels, their spiny arms reaching towards the heavens. These giants of the desert have stood for centuries, witnesses to the ebb and flow of life in this harsh yet beautiful environment. The silence here is almost deafening, broken only by the chirping of birds and the rustling of the desert wind. As the sun crests the horizon, casting long shadows across the landscape, I feel a sense of peace wash over me. Out here, on the edge of the world, my worries seem to fade away. The walls of Canyon de Chelly rise up around me, sheer cliffs of red sandstone sculpted by centuries of wind and water. I stand at the bottom, dwarfed by the immensity of this sacred canyon. Ancient voices seem to echo off the rock walls, whispering tales of the people who once called this place home. For centuries, the Navajo people have lived in harmony with this land. Their presence is everywhere, from the ruins of their ancestral cliff dwellings to the petroglyphs etched into the canyon walls. These ancient markings are more than just art. They are a record of a people's history, their hopes, their dreams. I hike along the canyon floor, the sand soft and red beneath my boots. The air is cool and damp, a welcome respite from the desert heat. The sound of running water is a constant companion, a reminder of life-giving force in this arid landscape. As I explore this sacred place, I feel a sense of connection to something much larger than myself. The landscape stretches out before me, a vast expanse of rolling hills and mesas, painted in hues of red, orange, yellow, and purple. This is the Painted Desert, a place where the earth itself seems to be a work of art. It's like stepping onto the canvas of a surrealist painting, a dreamscape brought to life. I drive along the deserted highway, the only sound the hum of my engine and the crunch of gravel beneath my tires. The sun beats down on the desert, creating shimmering mirages in the distance. It's a harsh and unforgiving environment, yet there's a strange beauty to its desolation. I pull over at a scenic overlook, stepping out of my car to take in the view. The air is hot and dry, carrying the faint scent of sagebrush and dust. The silence is absolute, broken only by the occasional cry of a hawk circling overhead. As the sun begins its slow descent towards the horizon, the colors of the desert intensify. Scattered across the desert floor like giant pieces of a shattered rainbow, lie the petrified logs of a prehistoric forest. These aren't ordinary trees, they're fossils, their organic matter replaced over millennia by colorful minerals. Walking through Petrified Forest National Park is like stepping back in time, to an era long before humans walked the earth. Each log is a work of art, its wood grain perfectly preserved in agate, jasper, and amethyst. The colors are breathtaking, from deep reds and oranges to vibrant yellows and purples. It's hard to believe that these were once living, breathing trees, now frozen in stone for all eternity. I bend down to examine a particularly large log, its surface polished smooth by wind and sand. The details are incredible. I can trace the rings of its growth, see the knots where branches once grew. As I wander through this prehistoric graveyard, I can't help but feel a sense of awe. Sedona. The name itself evokes images of towering red rock formations, vibrant energy vortexes, and a sense of spiritual awakening. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, I find myself drawn to Airport Mesa, a vantage point that promises panoramic views of this geological wonderland. The air crackles with anticipation as the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery hues. Orange, pink, and purple dance across the clouds, their reflections painting the sandstone cliffs below in shades of wonder. The iconic formations of Bell Rock, Courthouse Butte, and Cathedral Rock stand like ancient guardians, their silhouettes stark against the vibrant sky. As the last rays of sunlight kiss the horizon, a hush falls over the crowd gathered at the lookout point. Cameras click, capturing the fleeting beauty, but there's a sense that words and images can't truly capture the magic of this moment. Sitting on the edge of the mesa, I feel a sense of peace wash over me. Leaving the red rock majesty of Sedona behind, I find myself drawn northwards, towards the heart of the Verde Valley. This fertile valley, carved by the Verde River, is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, a testament to the ever-changing forces that have shaped this land for millennia. Driving through the valley, I'm greeted by a patchwork of high desert grasslands, riparian forests, and ancient ruins. The air is sweet with the scent of juniper and pine, a welcome change from the dry desert air. The Verde River winds its way through the valley, its emerald green waters a lifeline for the plants and animals that call this place home. I stop at Montezuma Castle National Monument, a testament to the ingenuity of the Sinagua people who once thrived in this region. The well-preserved cliff dwellings, built high into the limestone cliffs, are a marvel of engineering and a poignant reminder of the rich history that permeates this land.
As darkness descends upon the superstition wilderness, a blanket of stars unfolds across the sky. Far from the city lights, the Milky Way blazes across the heavens, a river of light stretching from horizon to horizon. It's a sight that takes my breath away, a humbling reminder of our place in the vastness of the cosmos. I sit by a campfire, the flames casting dancing shadows on the surrounding trees. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the scent of pine needles and damp earth. Above me, constellations twinkle like celestial fireflies, each one a story waiting to be told. I trace the outlines of Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, Orion the Hunter, and Scorpius, their ancient myths whispering in the wind. Superstitions are shrouded in legend, tales of lost gold mines, ancient curses, and strange creatures lurking in the shadows. As I gaze at the stars, I can't help but feel a sense of mystery and wonder.
There's a certain allure to the nomadic life, a freedom found in embracing the open road and the unknown. For me, Arizona has become a sanctuary, a place where I can shed the weight of expectations and reconnect with my true self. It's in the silence of the desert, under the vast expanse of the starlit sky, that I find true solace. The challenges of navigating Arizona's wild landscapes, the scorching sun, the rugged terrain, the ever-present thirst, have a way of stripping away the superficial, revealing the raw essence of who we are. Out here, survival depends on resilience, ingenuity, and a deep respect for the natural world. Each sunrise brings a new adventure, an opportunity to test my limits and push beyond my comfort zone. Arizona's wild heart has taught me valuable lessons about self-reliance, perseverance, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. The world is full of wonders, hidden gems waiting to be discovered by those who dare to venture off the beaten path. Arizona, with its untamed landscapes and boundless spirit of adventure, is a shining example of the transformative power of exploration. It's a call to embrace the unknown, to step outside our comfort zones, and discover the boundless possibilities that lie beyond. It's easy to get caught up in the routine of daily life, to let fear and uncertainty hold us back from pursuing our dreams. But the truth is, the greatest rewards often lie just beyond our comfort zones. It's in those moments when we challenge ourselves, when we push our limits, that we truly grow and discover who we are capable of becoming. So I urge you to embrace the spirit of adventure, seek out the road less traveled, explore the hidden corners of our planet, and let the journey transform you. As I stand at the edge of the Grand Canyon, its immensity stretching out before me like a vast gash in the Earth's surface, I'm reminded that exploration is not just about the places we go, but about the legacy we leave behind. It's about inspiring others to follow in our footsteps, to discover the beauty and wonder of the world for themselves. Every journey, no matter how big or small, has the potential to inspire. By sharing our stories, our triumphs, and our challenges, we ignite a spark of adventure in others, encouraging them to step outside their comfort zones and embrace the unknown. The world needs more explorers, more dreamers, more people who are willing to push the boundaries of what's possible. We need people who are passionate about preserving our planet's wild places, who understand that the future of our world depends on our willingness to protect it. So, go forth and explore. Discover the hidden gems that lie beyond the beaten path.